Mechanical engineering deals with power and the design of machines and process used to generate power and apply it to useful purposes. In general, the mechanical engineer works with systems, subsystems, and components that have motion. The discipline of mechanical engineering is concerned with the following elements. Mechanical engineers play significant roles in creating innovative design solutions that impacts millions of lives. Mechanical engineers use their expertise to assess situations that requires high level of technical skill set. Successful designs relies on understanding of forces in structures and machines. With those given forces, designs also depends on dimensions and selections of appropriate materials. Fluids are always present in turbines, heat exchangers, and fluid cooling. A deep understanding of energy and heat flow are required for design of efficient, cost-effective systems for power generation, propulsions, and engines. Mechanical engineers are concerned with performance of integrated dynamic systems to optimize each component. The range of work of a mechanical engineer is wider than any other branches of engineering, but it may be grouped generally under two branches: work that is concerned with power generating machines, and work that deals with machines that transforms or consume this power in accomplishing particular tasks. Employment may be secured by mechanical engineering graduates in almost every type of industry. A design engineer bridges the gap between the laboratory and the production line. He should be well grounded in basic engineering principles and in mathematics. He must not only understand the capabilities of the machine, but also the behavior of people who will operate it. In the fields of production and construction, the engineer is more directly associated with the technician, mechanic, and laborer. The usual duties of production or construction engineer is the process of estimating, supervision, and scheduling. After a building or facility has been built, the plant engineer and his staff are responsible for maintenance of the building, equipment, grounds, and utilities. In this work, engineer must assume the role of a teacher. He must present the features and benefits of the product in customer's standpoint. The sales and applications engineer should have basic knowledge of engineering principles and should, of course, have detailed knowledge in the area of his own products. The engineer in management is concerned with the long-term range effects of policy decisions. In this reason, the management engineer is less concerned with the technical aspects of his profession and relatively more with financial, legal, and labor aspects. In some respects, research and development is one of the glamorous functions of a mechanical engineer. The objective of research engineer is directed toward the practical side of the problem and to find the use of the discovery that will have commercial and economic value. A consulting engineer is a person who possesses specific skills in addition to several years of experience. He may offer his services to advise and work on engineering projects either part-time or full-time. A career in teaching is rewarding. A desire to help others in their learning processes and a thorough grounding in engineering and mathematics are desirable for those considering teaching engineering subjects. Teaching is more closely allied with research and development functions than with others. A mechanical engineer is a problem identifier and solver. A mechanical engineer must apply his knowledge and inventiveness to arrive with practical solutions.